Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. It's very simple. All you have to do, go for the Play Store and type Green Apple Keyboard. It's, for me, the best application, and it looks almost identical like iPhone keyboard, so take a look. We have to download this app. Okay, as you can see right now, we can open this application. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times. Then just go back and click on the switch input methods. Right now switch to English United States keyboard, click finish. And right now we can simply turn it off and take a look. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed and it looks almost identical like on iPhone, and here we can also find emojis. So that's how it looks, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.